Let's go. Vamanos. Plug drop the pack. We gon' get them gone. We talking shit. We gon' send them home. Take the long route.
Yo, you know what I mean? Anejo, special edition.
They just unbelievable. I put so much work inside my family. Now I'm going dreaming. I'm in the game. I should have joined.
First shot. Birthday shot.
Thank y'all. Happy birthday.
Cheers. Big cheers.
Happy birthday.
Still falling. Still hustling. Still trapping. Still serving. I should bet like Michael B. Money and bitches on another scale.
I like the whole song.
We outside with it. See what's going on. In the snow with it.
Yes,
Cold as a
33 degrees.
Bitch, we outside. Bitch, we outside. Bitch, we outside. Bitch, we outside. From the IE to Venice Beach. Bitch, we outside. From the Valley to OC. Bitch, we outside. Switching lane down to PCH. Bitch, we outside. From the Bay back.
Karma.
Oh, I have sunscreen. You need something, you said?
No.
Shit, I should probably put on some sunscreen.
This is like a party right here.
Where my party at? my surprise birthday party. Let the rookies go first.
And the stop at the wrong side.
There you go.
We love you, Dutchie.
How you feel? It's a video. It's a rich nigga sport. Sorry, y'all can't participate in this one.
Oh, okay.
Body again. Whole new body.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear LP. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, what a cameraman at? I'ma need him for a second. I pull up in that bed like you don't see that boy flexing. All these different colors like my necklace got infested. Last night I got a room with two dice and got molested. Left a murder scene, dog. I shoulda got arrested. Killed both of them whole, dog. I shoulda got them pregnant. Both them hoe were fine and that pussy was the wedding. Nah, I take that back. I forgot about my Chevy. 28s got me stained like I'm shooting that movie road bounce. Eating steaks, count stacks. I all in Texas Roadhouse. Flex shot the pack, nigga, special on no y'all. Catch on that interstate, that K gon' knock your mold out. Leave your toe out. BNR gon' come and tow you out. Later on, I go and shoot a movie, me and Gold Mouth. Drop the line, haters on the side, lips poked out. Keep it on my side, 4/5 clips poked out.
Yes, sir, man. Happy motherfucking birthday vibes, man. Shout out to my guys. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's like water.
Shoes and leave with your bitch, take her home and shoot a movie. Please don't try to jack, got the 30 shot oozing.
Night skiing right now.
You know his spirit, man. I ain't been in his spirit.
It's cold as motherfucker.
See what's going on?
Damn,
Yeah. See what's going on?
Outside with it, gang with us. It's birthday vibes. See what's going on.
Call me Brad Pitt. They mad about we're swagged out and they don't even know what swag is. I'm something like a director, Mr. Lights, Camera, Action. I wanna have a lot of fun. I'll talk to you 1,000 watts. Watch when they come in 1,000 tons. My homies want the wild. Me, I wanna hit this chicken with this bitch like in the neck.
Like you, like your tattoos on my own. Can't lie, the red rock got torture.
Where's she from? That girl, she from
California. Got the West Coast vibe from California.
Oh my gosh, from California. I like it.
Yes, sir.
Bro.
We outside. You feel me? Big bad. What is he talking about? 2025. Cheers.
Good day. You good?
I'm heavy sick, that's evident. My hood treat me like the president. That blue cheese, I'm stacking it. Money flip like gymnastics. Yo, bitch broke my bitch up. She designer down from the toe up. West up, best up. My jury sick, need a checkup. From California to Montgomery, on band running across the country. Did to that cash, nigga. Can't afford it, it be our shit legendary. Better shot now before you can't afford it. I've been doing this shit for a long time now. Y'all niggas gonna have to respect this shit.
Every blood clot ting me love.
Yeah, you see what the going on? Smoking big backwoods, you know what I'm saying? We eating big bear, doing big, you know what I'm saying? On the big mountains, feel me? Popping big bottles. You already know what time it is, man. It's our season, man. Capricorn season, you know what I'm talking about? LP Monte type shit, band type shit, feel me? Probably want nigga treat money, feel me? Doing this nigga all year long, nigga. Them play, nigga. You know how we coming. On guard. Shit forever. This shit forever, nigga. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, nigga. It's forever our season, nigga. On God. He's gonna get mad. He will get mad. So, just a forewarning. He will get mad. Oh shit.
Cool, nigga.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. If you know it, let him go. My mother said to pick the very best one, and you are it. Yeah, I think you. She got God.
She got on to the next one.
Yeah, we're gonna be up in about 2-3 hours. Good. I'm good. Yeah.
Bro, she woke right up.
Just know.
One.
Just sleep with one eye open tonight.
You good.
Besides me.
You see how beautiful y'all are? You ready to get baptized?
Okay. Make sure y'all go shop FairRunnersClothing.com. If you want a discount today, from now until 2 days from right now, put it local.
Yes, sir. I'm legendary, this everything. Treat me like the president.
Cheese on stacking, money flip like gymnastics. The bitch broke my bitch up, she designed down from the toe war. The hell no, the bitch ain't mine. The bitch like a tennis shoe, out with the old in
With the new, yeah.
Woo!
Better shop now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. Little bit. Yeah, nigga.
Shorty say these vibes ain't classical. OG hoe wagons acting, you gon' start that good ratchet.
It's evident my hood treat me like the president. That blue cheese, I'm stacking it. Money flip like gymnastics. Yo, bitch broke my bitch up. She designer down from the toe up. West up, vest up. My jury sick, need a checkup. From California to Montgomery, on band running across the country. Did that to that cash, nigga. I'm a motherfucking money junkie. Big belt on snowboarding. Big B&B, nigga, on recording. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. Better shop now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. Better shop now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. From a zero to a hero, from a pee-wee to a ooh-wee. Hit her from the back, pulling on the trash. Got her screaming out LP. From the Bay to LA, nigga on bean down the grapevine. Trunk full of that, yeah, nigga, I'm watching out for one time. If you ain't get money, then you wasted L, ain't wasted time. If she ain't got my name tatted, then hell no, that bitch ain't mine. Treat a bitch like some tennis shoes, out with the old, in with the new. Hard to trust these hoes, boy, they'll switch up on you out the blue. Gotta stay solid, gotta stay down, 365. You can tell if he real or fake, just look, got him straight in the eyes. Gotta stay solid, gotta stay down, 365. You can tell if he real or fake, just look, got him straight in the eyes. Better shop now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. Better shop now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shop now before you can't afford it. Then running in cheese, nigga, on moving weight, OD, nigga. I bring the table and I bring the plates. I got plugs all overseas, nigga. Chopping is a habit, gotta get the cabbage. I'm a fly nigga like Aladdin. Been having, I'm a fucking savage. Money for a nutty, pocket full of salad. Sipping undone Julio, turn the B&B to a studio. Bad bitch flew her in, took her panties off soon as she hit the dough. Sipping undone Julio, turn the B&B to a studio. Bad bitch flew her in, took her panties off soon as she hit the dough. Shop now. Better shop now before you can't afford it. This
BR shit legendary. Better shout now before you can't afford it. Better shout now before you can't afford it. This BR shit legendary. Better shout now before you can't afford it.
I've been doing this shit for a long time now. Y'all niggas just gonna have to respect this shit.
I'm putting in a lot of work